Welcome to PaintWizz. If you've ever felt like your paint repair quotes are more best guess than best practice, you're in the right place. In the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how to move from a rough estimate to a data-backed professional paint quote. We've built PaintWizz to factor in exact panel sizes, specific color codes, and real repair activities without the headache of manual calculations. Let's jump into the system, and I'll show you just how quick and easy it is. On the PaintWizz quoting screen, find the manufacturer of the vehicle needing repairs. Then select the model. You can search by typing the name of the model into the space provided. Then find and select the paint color by using the name or paint code. Use the graphical representation of the model's body type to select the panels to be painted and the repair type of each. Once done, click the Quote button. That's it. An accurate quote, ready to share in under 30 seconds, with labor, material, and a recommended paint mix volume to reduce paint wastage in your shop. Sign up today and enjoy your first 20 quotes absolutely free. PaintWizz. We don't estimate, we calculate.